Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a program in Python to find the prime numbers from a list. Okay, if like there are two prime numbers in a list, then append them in another list. Okay, so first I will take a list as an input, list map. So all the elements in the list are integers. So I will take input like this, enter here, and all the elements will be separated by what, a space. So sp lit split parenthesis, and in next line I will take a empty list where I am going to append the prime numbers. Okay, so here I will take a for loop for I in list 1. Okay, so we are going to check this I, is it a prime number or not. Okay, so here I will take a variable s equal to 0, and here I will take a for loop to check this I is prime number or not. So for j in range from, for prime number we use I from 2 to that number upon 2, means 2 from that number. What is that number? I. We are checking I is a prime number or not, so divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so colon here, and here I will write a condition if this I modulus j is equal to 0. If this condition is correct, means I is not a prime number. So here I will update this s by 1. Understand? And outside this for loop I will write a condition, if this s is 1, then not the I is not prime number. If s is 0, then I is prime number, because if s is 0 means this condition never true for I. If this condition never true, then that is not a prime number. Okay, what is prime number? Which is divisible by itself and divisible by 1 only. Okay, which is divisible by two numbers, 1 and itself. Okay, so here I will write a condition, if s is equal to 0, then I will append I in list 2. Okay, I dot, sorry, list 2 dot append, list 2 dot append what, I, and outside this for loop I will print list 2. So let's run the code. Take list 1, 9, 8, 7, 45, 67, 98, 12, 2, 3. Okay, so how many numbers are prime? 7. I think 67 is also prime number, 2 and 3. Okay, so enter 7, 67, 2 and 3. Okay, I hope you understand the question. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.